Thank you very much. Ngicela nje ukubingelela. Can I greet everyone at home? Welcome. This is one of my online platforms where I document everything, all real stuff, everything from politics to Ijambo to the revolutionary songs, which are also going to be released on this channel. We'll have different speakers to engage on. But today, I'm sitting down with someone that I look up to, someone that became close to me, not only as a legal mind, a politician, and a role model, but also as a father figure. Owathi ngelinye ilanga kumina mhla usuqedile nje uphaphazela uyelewele woza la uzosebenza senze umthetho ngendlela eqondile uqondise nento yakho. Someone that has never given up on me on many occasions where many have, but he has never did that. Ubaba uDali ubaba ongagugi emzabalazweni nakwe zomthetho. Ubaba uDali cela ukubingelela nje endaweni yakhe emahhovisi nakho usebenza.
Sure njani?
Hayi ngiyaphila baba uDali.
Sibambe.
Yebo, mhlawumbe ukusho nje baba uDali mongase because ngathi abantu babona izinto ezigcwele etafuleni ukuthi ngivele ngangena ngendlovu yangena.
Yeah.
Kunale mithiko ukuthi ungena kuyona ngokungihlonipha kwazi ukunikeza isikhathi.
No, good. I know. Hlala kusetshenzwa la hlala kubhizi vele.
Yep. So I have the Sentin Chambers, Zababa uDali Mpofu. By the way, I also studied law, so I always get inspiration. Bengitshela nje the guys sihamba ama steps ukuthi umoya wepolitiki wamanje wangena kodwa mangiza njalo la ngihlezi ngikhala ukuthi yazi ngelinye ilanga ngiyafisa ukuba njengobaba uDali. I don't know mhlambe what advice you could give me nje emfishane nje ka 1 second.
No, well, in this profession, there's only one word, hard work. If there's no other way, because there are no shortcuts, and you work hard, as you know, as a student, but you work even harder when you are in the field. Yeah, it's a very tough environment. It looks easy when people are watching outside, but it's
tough. Yeah. And you know, Baba UDali, you are one of the great people, one of the greatest people. I always argue, even people on Twitter, when they sometimes go astray and say funny things. The mind, the brilliance, the commitment, the character, the humility,
sure.
And the fortitude to always stay in times of crisis, level-headed. In times of joy, same smile. Relax. How does it come with age? Is it you? How did you become great? Did you always know that you were great even when you never knew you were? Is it a feeling inside or is it you practice to be great?
No, well, greatness obviously is seen by others. But the most important thing in life is just to be true to yourself. Yeah, just be yourself. It's the easiest thing. As they say, the young ones, they say, just do you.
You.
So if you are a kind person or a people's person or somebody who, who relates in a particular way to people all your life, that's how you relate to them. It doesn't matter which station in life they are in. And also, it's some of the values really, it's about what drives you. For me, everything I do is driven by the love for my people. So everything, literally. Every time, if I'm working here until the morning or whatever. So it's quite simple if you live through that philosophy. Some people are driven by money, others are driven by wanting to be famous, others are driven by different things, nice cars. I'm just driven by whatever I can do for my people while I'm still alive. And that has been what drives me for the past 50 years or so. So it's not difficult. I don't need any effort to do it.
No, ngiyabonga kakhulu nje mhlawumbe ukusitshela isecret sengisuka ngihamba ngoba Athi abangazi sifica ubaba uDala esebenza sama-hijacker nje ukuthi impilo lana ngizikulethela izinto nje njengoba zinjalo safike sangena sangamtshela nasilalile asitshela ukuthi akashayi makeup, there's no makeup, there's nothing, it's only us and being true to ourselves.
Reality.
Yeah. Into baba uDala bengifuna ukuyibuza, wenza ngani ukuthi uhlezi ubuke kumusha?
I used to. I stopped.
Okay.
But no, I get asked that question. I like it, by the way. Every time I get asked that question, I ask the person to ask it again. Yeah. No, again, I think it's focus and hard work, because sometimes there's not even time to do exercises and so on. But you have to be sharp, you have to be alert. So whatever little time you have. And the two, really, for me, the two things are diet, sleep, and exercise. And exercise, I don't mean going to the gym and doing, but even if it's just small exercises, 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there. Yeah. So I suppose the good genes also help. Yeah.
No, ngiyabona ngoba baningi nami ngiphuza kodwa yabona ngiyimpisi nje.
You're looking good.
So no, ngiyabonga baba uDala nje ungihlonipha noma ubhizi usebenza ngicathi umuntu usazoba nayo platform isazovuleleka kakhulu la.
No, definitely.
Ngiyafisa ufika kahle hlale phansi.
No, we can have a nice session.
Yeah.
I mean, you and I come a long way. Yeah. From your face must fall, imprisonment, and then and now we're in the same political home. Yeah. So there's a lot. We need more than this kind of time to engage, go back to those stages. I remember when I was at your graduation, when you talk about father figure, because I was there with your mother and my sibling. And the sibling. I'm sure they said, "Oh, this is the father, this is the mother."
And wakhokha namabhili laphana ngiyabonga nje ngibonga kakhulu baba uDala ukuthi uhlezi ukhona empilweni yami. Ngempela ngokukhulu ukulokhunjana ukuza kwami la kuyangikhuthaza kungenza ngifisa ukuba umuntu ongcono. Uba ngazi ngibe khona ombaba washeshe wadlula emhlabeni ngiseyingane mhlawumbe ngila ku 13 14. Kodwa
nami ngina 17 I think
17 ucishe kufana same but ubaba abanjengawe empilweni mina abanginike icampus moral ukuthi okay at least mangaba njengaye noma ifika ithibe mhlambe ngifisa ukuyodakwe noma ngifisa ukwenza into zabona ngithi ngizoba kanjani baba uDala bangenza kanjani ngibe nama-chambers. So mina nje i-motivation yami lapho ngiyabonga kakhulu baba. Ngicela ubacele nabantu ukuthi lokho bebuka la usazobuya baba sinesikhathi kahle sixoxe.
No, definitely. This one is a long story. So this is it's not even the first chapter, it's introduction.
Yes.
The real thing is still going to come. We'll tell you blow by blow the journey that I've traveled with this young man. He's one to watch for the future. Sure.
All right.